Okay, now I'm gonna try to install Pygame. Hopefully it'll work this time. I'm gonna try this command. Just copy this, paste it in here, and hit enter. And it worked finally. Okay. And that's it. I have another folder where we could try this. First, I'm gonna close this folder and then open a new one. Not a new one, but just another one I have here, just to test that the library works. Okay, it is this folder, actually. This folder. I'm gonna open a new terminal and from Python rrt star. Seems like it worked, but it didn't. Okay, I'm gonna cd rrt star objects, and then in Python rrt star method, and it works. This is rrt method for generating routes in an environment. Okay, it works. I'm not gonna discuss the code here. I just wanted to try to install Pygame and try it. So in the next episodes, we could try something else. Try discussing and talking about basic concepts in programming, but using Pygame just to illustrate how it works. This is a method. Okay, just wanted to talk a little bit about this. This is an example where this is a tree, a random tree that grows in the environment, and when it finds the goal, or at least the closest node to the goal, it just draws the route that it gets. Okay, and that's it.